Welcome to your new enterprise AI assistant powered by Vertesia. The AI assistant is built to support all use cases across all industries. For this demo, we'll explore one of our pre-built agents, the financial analyst. With Vertesia, you simply describe your task, explain your goal, and run the agent. When an agent is deployed, it starts by enabling the tools it needs to complete the task. Next, the agent dynamically creates a plan for itself. Vertesia's agents plan, execute, and adapt in real time. Whether it's a one-off task or something you do every day, our agents have built-in memory, so you can pause, return, and pick up exactly where you left off. What used to take hours now takes just minutes with Vertesia. Now that the task is complete, let's take a look at what powers the AI assistant, the Vertesia platform. Our enterprise AI platform is designed for IT teams to quickly design, test, build, and orchestrate custom AI apps and agents at scale. The Vertesia platform is fully transparent, providing a full audit history that enables centralized governance and compliance. You can see everything an agent does, every run, every action, every decision. Whether you're a growing organization or a global enterprise, Vertesia helps you get agentic AI apps and agents into production quickly, securely, and at scale. To learn more about Vertesia, visit vertesiahq.com and schedule a live demo.